Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some adorable 4th of July pieces of decor that are actually embroidered on wood. These are in my shop, and be on the lookout because we're going to have other things for different seasons as well. We are doing a firecracker and a heart, which is actually going to be a flag. So I did a first layer coat on all of them with just white, and now we are taking some embroidery floss and we are simply threading it through the holes and just making designs. We made these very simple. I am not an embroidery pro, so there's no special stitches or anything in this. Just have some fun doing it. Make sure when you're doing projects like this that you incorporate different colors. That's really going to make these stand out and make them super unique for your home. Here you're going to see me add some wooden beads to the heart flag. I just wanted it to be a garland that we could use on tiered trays or anything like that. So I used 14 wooden beads, and then we made a tassel out of some fun patriotic ribbon for the other side. What do you think, my friend? I think they turned out absolutely adorable, and I could not wait to see some of your creations come to life. These are such fun, unique projects to add in your home for your seasonal decor. If you love this DIY and like all things home creative, please visit me at theruffleddaisy.org and make sure you're following on all the social media channels.